Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your desktop background image on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started. So first of all, you can just right click on your desktop anywhere. So right click and then click on this option which says Personalize, which is going to open this window. You can reach to this personalization option using the settings also. So you can right click on the Windows icon here and click on settings and then click on this option which says personalization, or you can just search for the settings app here and click on settings and then just choose this option. Okay, so there are several ways of reaching to this point, and then just scroll down here where it says background, and here you can choose the background image. So there are some default background images. Right now you can see the background image is this on my Windows 11 operating system. I can change it easily by just selecting the background image which are available on my Windows 11 operating system by default. You can see I can switch between images easily. This is for pictures. You can also choose solid colors, and you can choose any color from these colors, or you can just choose the color from here. Okay. Also, you can select the slideshows. So just click on slideshow, and then you can browse for your images. If you have downloaded some wallpapers from some website, you can browse for the wallpaper, and then you can choose the duration of change of your wallpaper. So change picture every 30 minutes is selected by default, but you can change it to 1 minute, 10 minutes, 1 hour, 6 hour, and 1 day from here. Okay. Also shuffle the picture order. Right now it's off. You can toggle between on and off. Also let slideshow run even if I'm on battery power, right? So you can choose between these several options. So I'm going to choose the picture option here, and I'm going to choose this picture. If you have any wallpaper which you have downloaded and if you want to set it, you can just browse for that picture from here by just clicking on this option, and then just select the wallpaper which you want to set. Okay, and that picture will be your desktop background. Also, if you are directly in the folder where your wallpaper is downloaded, you just need to right click on the wallpaper and then click on set as desktop background, which is going to set this picture as your desktop background. Okay. So these are few ways in which you can change your desktop background image on your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.